In my opinion, I would not recommend that you buy a 20 amp hour lead acid zone 72 volt or the 84. Emmo states that they get, I think, between 45 and 50 kilometers per charge. They don't. They absolutely don't. I've been selling these since they came out in 2018, which is when they had, all they had was the 20 amp in the beginning. But the bikes are too heavy. And any hills kind of destroy it. Like if you look at this bike in weight compared to the Addo or the Monster, they're a lighter bike. They're going to get a little more distance. Those do get between 45 and 50, 30, 35 kilometers per charge on these ones. And remember, your best performance is at when it's fully charged. So as the lead acid gets through its cycle, it just gets slower and slower and slower. So maybe you could get 50 kilometers per charge, but you're going to be doing about 10 kilometers an hour by the end of it. And that sucks. Who wants to do that? When should you buy a 20 amp hour lead acid? If you already have a battery that you want to put in it. So let's say your other bike, whatever, or you buy a battery from Amazon, whatever you do, but you've got a battery that you want to still use. Buy the basic, $3,099, buy the basic zone, rip out the lead acid batteries, put your lithium in it. But unless 20 kilometers per charge is okay, cool, do it. Also, the lead acid, the 45 amp hour lead acid, that one's super, super heavy. So if you don't need more than 30 kilometers per charge, fine, buy it. But otherwise, I think I've only sold 2 of these. I just advise people. We're too busy in the showroom now. I can't do videos when nobody's in, so it's a good thing. No, it's a good thing. See, phone, busy, busy place. But yeah, so I've been wanting to do that video. That is my advice. And just beware when you buy the 20 amp lead acid zones. Gotta go.